Hi everyone, welcome to October, and that means September's real estate market statistics are out. My name is Barton and I'm a Vancouver real estate agent with Oakland Realty. I specialize in the downtown and South Granville area, but I'm also heavily involved in other areas such as North Vancouver. My job here is to help buyers and sellers navigate through these uncertain times by providing unbiased information. So just in case that you've been living under the rock, let me tell you this: the real estate market is trending downwards. Not only Vancouver is experiencing a cool down, other major cities such as Toronto, Montreal are also experiencing a slowdown. So let's take a look at the numbers I have. In the west side of Vancouver, there were 904 new listings compared to 730 in August. So more new listings came onto the market. However, while we have more sellers coming back, buyers are not as active as they were before. In other words, more new listings continue to come onto the market, but fewer homes were selling. Demand in other major cities in Metro Vancouver are also in a similar situation. While the sales volume in Vancouver West Side was down by 7.6%, Burnaby and Surrey were down by a whopping of 20%. And that's a huge drop. Richmond and Coquitlam sales volume were down by 7%. And the only exception is North Vancouver, where its total sales volume went up by 14% compared to August. So for all the property types in Metro Vancouver, 16.9% of the home listed were sold compared to 50% sold back in March. And that's a huge dip in buyers' demand. While comparing to August, home price index composite benchmark price for detached home is $1.9 million. That's a 2.1% drop. Apartment home benchmark price was down by 1.6% to $728,000, and townhomes were down by 1.9% to $1,050,000. Okay, so that I've bombarded you with numbers, let me ask you a question. Do you think you will lose money if you buy a house right now? And I'm pretty sure that a lot of people are wondering that. Well, obviously, most of you will answer yes. If you buy now, you will lose money. But from my point of view, it really depends. If you're planning to sell within the next 6 months, then you're probably right. The market is trending downwards. But if you are thinking of keeping a property for a longer period, then the chances of you losing money will go down significantly. This is what I've mentioned before in my previous video. The real estate market tends to reward people who are more patient, but getting the right information at the right time will definitely help you reduce some of those risks. So in conclusion, the biggest issue is rising interest rate due to high inflation, and that will further decrease buyers' purchasing power and further lower buyers' demand because it just costs more to borrow money now. I don't think we're quite done with interest rate hikes yet, but I do think that we're over with the most aggressive rate of increase. Alright, I think that's it for today. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out and check out my Instagram and Facebook page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hey, don't leave me.